The Poco X8 Pro Max, upgraded with true flagship-level hardware, would be an absolute powerhouse built to compete with the best premium smartphones on the market. At its core, the device would feature the ultra-fast Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, delivering top-tier performance for extreme multitasking, high-end gaming, and advanced AI features with smooth efficiency and next-level speed. Paired with generous RAM and ultra-fast storage, the phone would feel insanely responsive in everything from heavy apps to console-level mobile gaming. The camera setup would be equally mind-blowing, led by a massive 400MP primary sensor capable of capturing ultra-detailed photos, sharp zoom shots, and professional-quality 8K video with impressive low-light clarity and flagship-grade image processing. Powering all of this would be a huge 8500mAh battery, offering outstanding endurance that can easily last 2 full days of use, making it one of the strongest battery phones in its class, while fast charging support would ensure you can top up quickly. Combined with a large high refresh rate AMOLED display, premium build design, and next-gen connectivity like 5G and Wi-Fi upgrades, the Poco X8 Pro Max would easily earn the title of a true flagship killer built for users who want extreme performance, insane battery life, and next-level camera power in one device.